Hello one and all to my unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus in Prism White. My name is Mookies and this is what the unboxing looks like. I had to run around everywhere in Toronto to find this. I'm super excited to finally unbox it. I know I've said it in the previous video, but just please bear with me. Or not, it's probably not the previous video. It might be one long video. I haven't edited it yet, but please bear with me as I try to contain my excitement and not explode into a million pieces. As you can see, this is the S10 Plus. There's nothing on the side. Nothing on the side. This side says Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. And on the back we have Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Packaging contains Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Wall/USB charger, stereo headset, USB connector, quick start guide, smart switch guide, and Samsung Mobile Care offer. Interesting. It is the 128 gigs version, as you can see. That's French. I don't read French, so let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay, so I've got the tape off. This one side only came with one side taped, which is interesting. My precious. Just to see, you can probably see how I'm recording it. Hello, bonjour, it's me, Mookies. Just recording right now on my Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Can't wait for the Note 10, as I've said a million times. Here's the S10. I'm very like nervous to flip it over and see what it looks like, but oh my god, how gorgeous it is. What is that? You see the triple cameras on the back. It's nice and sheeny. Fits nicely in the hand. What else comes in the box? AKG headphones. The earphones. It is not wireless. I wish I had Galaxy Buds, but I don't. I might get them really soon. It's funny how they put it like this, so it makes you think it's wireless. And then you flip it over and you see it's a cable. Put that to the side. The issue here is I'm not left-handed, so I'm struggling just a little bit. USB cable. USB-C. Wall plug. Is it fast charging? It is indeed. That's good. It's a little converter, so you can use Samsung Smart Switch with this through a cable. What else is in here? Is there anything else? Okay, so that was empty. The phone is right here. Sorry if my laptop looks a little bit busted. People in my house like to use it as a coffee table for some inexplicable reason. So, this is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Oh wow, it's fairly light in the hand. I'm probably gonna put a pop socket on the back just so I don't drop it. Probably gonna keep this rainbow artist color wheel on my Note 9. And what else? I might put the Green Lantern one on the back here, or maybe I got a couple. A lot of them DC. I have a Batman one, Flash one, Green Lantern, because Kyle Rayner is my favorite character. I have a Wonder Woman one, and a Superman one. So I'll probably put the Superman on it, not because he's my favorite or anything. He's really not, but it's the most vibrant, colorful, and it might look good on the back with a white. The Prism White. I also bought a case. 1 second. Ta-da! I bought a case, spec case from the store as well. S10 Plus, it's clear. So if I can, oh god, it's got that styrofoam that I absolutely hate. Styrofoam. Oh, I hate that sound. Hold on. That was like the opposite of ASMR. Like fucking hell is what it was. I can't believe I just slid it across like that. This is the case. I don't need this. This is how the case looks. I'll probably keep this on until I can get the same DC case I've had this case forever. Look, you can see in the reflection. There's Superman, Flash, Batman, Green Lantern, Wonder Woman, and for some reason there's Captain America's shield. I've had this case across several different devices, across the iPhone 5S, I think, the Samsung Galaxy S4, the iPhone 6, my Note 8, the S7 Edge, and my Note 9 currently, and hopefully the S10 Plus, and if I'm lucky, there will be the exact same case for the Note 10. So a little bit about my update or background in terms of phones, the way I had it. I'll probably explore more of that in a future video, just like a ask me anything type of thing, and where I deal with everything I've had up to now. If I can remember them, I will. Oh my god, let me power it on. Gasp! It's a witch. So beautiful. Little haptic feedback. Those are the little cameras. Look at those beautiful little cameras. I'm probably gonna get used to the double cutout hole punch. Let's go. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna set this up and then I'll get back to you guys. Actually, you might want to see the setup process. So right now I connected to my internet and it's just updating Smart Switch because I'm gonna do it through the cable, because why not? It came in the box for a reason, and I love wireless everything. I love the cloud. I'll probably restore everything if it doesn't bring everything through the cable. So I just like to make sure I have everything. 88%. Oh, it's so light. Like, I love it. Like, I feel like I just throw it. But I got device protection, so I'm probably not going to do that. Even though I could, but I shouldn't. Seeing my own face talking is weird. So let me try and hide that. What's it doing? I can't wait to yes. Okay. Old cable. So let me set you down right here. And then this port right here, I'm gonna put this. Let me tilt it up a bit. Try not to make it fall. Feel like it's gonna fall. Okay. And that's been plugged in over here. Just gonna have to plug in this cable to my Note 9. Crap! Probably didn't need to see me all busted like that, but you did. Okay, made a little nice chair. Oh, that's for the volume. Connecting to the Note 9. Lovely, lovely. Ignore my messy room. Allow access to my phone, yes. This cable's really annoying. When it switched to Smart Switch on my Note 9, it stopped recording automatically, so that was a little bit annoying. But we're on this page and I'm going to be transferring pretty much every... see, I kind of want to like start fresh, but at the same time, let's just go ahead and do it. Keep the cable connected. Once setup is done, you can check the status for notification. Of course, it did it just again because Smart Switch is trying to try me today, but I'm not having it and I'm super excited. So let's see what happens next. I'm gonna put in my email and then we'll be right back. Email and password put in. Now we're just seeing what else. That's probably perfect. You can see I have a lot of stuff. I'm what the kids call a hoarder. I have my micro SD card. It's 400 gigabytes. I really am super invested in the. Oh, this is so sad. They don't have the iris scanner anymore, or the LED notification. But c'est la vie. So yes, I was very happy when they announced the 1 terabyte micro SD card. So I can't wait for that, but it's really expensive, and I'm gonna have to sell a kidney to do it, but that's the tech life, you know? Okay, I swapped hands so I can record properly with my right hand. This is cool. It's giving me a little haptic vibration. I'm trying to do more. Some sides. I think that's marker on my fingernails, by the way. It's sad that I have to say I think. It's from ink thing. Get a full scan. Read. Okay. Continue. Yes. What's that? Ah, this cable is pissing me off. Of it now. There we go. Just moving right with you. Okay. Switching to my left hand again. Okay. Back up. Yes. Take my money, take my soul, I don't care. Actually, let me just skip this part because nobody wants to stare at a video for a few minutes doing nothing. Funny story, I was actually about to try and pull off the plastic, but I realized that the screen protector that is pre-installed with. So I'm being very careful right now to take off the back one. Let me just flip this over. Probably easier. Well, that was satisfying as hell. Okay. Plastic is so nice. Okay, and we're back. So that part is done. Now I just need to sign into my Samsung account, so see you in a second yet again. And now, let's go in. Done disconnect. It's freaking gorgeous. Wow. Holy hell. See, I'm not a fan of Pi. I really don't like it. I much prefer the Oreo 8.1 experience, which is what I'm running on my Note 9. But whoa, this is I can't even like speak right now. I'm so amazed at how beautiful it is. Yeah, so that's the unboxing right now of 382 video applications. Well, okay, that's the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. I was about to say Note 9, but yeah, so wow, just wow. This was the unboxing and setup. There will be a review coming in a little bit, in a little while. I don't want to say a few days. I want to have time to enjoy and immerse myself in this device. It's truly something else. So yeah, I hope you like it. Okay, that's annoying. Let me turn off the sound. Yeah, so make sure to like, comment, subscribe, click the bell notification. Crap, I do it every single time. I did it so well last time, and then now I fell back. Click the bell icon for notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, take care. That's my customer service voice, by the way, when I'm trying to be a little annoying, but okay.
I'll see you guys later. Take care and enjoy your day.